2. Sorry about that. 2 minutes late here. And we are friggin' ripping. Look at this first minute. 100 points. 100 points in 2 minutes now. Just absolutely blasted off like a rocket ship here. Whew, you know? But like always, it's one of those things. We got to give it at least the first 5 minutes. That's what we're really going to be working on today as well, is that 5-minute opening range breakout strategy. So ES is pumping back up. Q's dropped heavy. IWM has a gap up. Oops, let's adjust this just a little. Got all wonky on us. And then Nvidia as well has just a little gap to the upside. It looks like it's almost filled actually. So let's see. This is our 25K account. We're up 770 on it already. We're going to be a little bit patient today with that 5-minute orb. Yeah. Actually, just for free though. I know. Well, I had it for $10, you know.
Oh, is there a slice table you can give it to me instead?
Yep. Yeah. They go, listen, we're renovating our 75-year-old mom's, you know, blah, 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 trying to do it on the cheap. Would you, you know, potentially part with this for free? And I was like,
Have you gotten any other?
no, nobody's, yeah. And it really is kind of a cheap thing. And as things go, like best case, we probably get $5 for it, you know? So it's like, sure. I know. I was like, alright. I mean, I checked out her profile too to make sure it wasn't like she was a well-known reseller. So pushing back up here to the 850s here. We only have 15 seconds before our 5-minute range here is solidified, which not really much of a range. We just kind of blasted the heck up. So here we go. Here's our brand new candle right here. So for opening range breakouts, what we want is a full candle closure now to be above this wick right here, right? So right now we wicked above the 5-minute range, but we didn't actually have a full 1-minute candle closure above that 5-minute range. Hey, what's up, driving a session? What's up, big dog? Oh, hey, man, and listen, I changed all my audio settings again, so let me know. Let me know if the music's too loud. Let me know if I'm not, you know, if I'm too quiet. All that kind of fun stuff, if you wouldn't mind. Huh? We have an appointment at noon? What is the appointment? Fuck me. Because remember, I did a thing to pick up that bike at noon. Is there any chance that you wouldn't mind picking up that bike?
At noon when I'm supposed to be at the appointment?
No, right now. Before the appointment. Anytime between now and noon.
What did he say?
He's,
Have to be by noon?
no, he asked me to do it in the morning, and then, you know, I was like, hey, can we push it to noon? Because I didn't give him a reason, I just said. So this is our full, it's actually good. Came here from Nutty Stream. Didn't have to adjust my volume. Yay! We did it! I know, I still got to reach out to Nutty. I don't think he has an Instagram. There is a Nutty Bar Trading Instagram, but there's only like, I don't know, you know, he's got like 34 followers on it or something like that, so I don't know if it's a real account or a fake account. And you can't message on YouTube, so I don't know. I think he has a Twitter. I gotta get it, whatever that's called now. I need to get a X. I gotta reach out to him because I would love to co-host a stream with him. I think that would be pretty cool. So trying to work on this 5-minute ORB breakout. We still really didn't get a full candle closure above the range. We really just got a big old wick above the range. But we do have a real good imbalance right here. So now that we've kind of, again, I wish we had I would have liked to have seen a full candle closure above. I'd want to see us come down, retest this imbalance right here, and then maybe take a long to go back up. Man, crazy news about Trump going after Powell. I mean, he's been going after Powell for a while, but, you know, indicting him, which we'll see if it goes anywhere. But just crazy to think about as well. You know, I'm sure it's just a ploy to kind of ensure that Powell won't be around after May when his term is up, which I don't know. It'd be kind of crazy to not have Papa Powell around any longer. You know, love the guy or hate the guy. He's just, I don't know, he's a legend, right? So we just had just a tiny little curl down. Now we're popping into that 5-minute range again. Or right at the, we're right above that 5-minute range again. So I really want to just see, I mean, I really want to see that retest. That's what I'm really looking for. I'm looking for this retest. Like, it would literally be an 800 retest, which would be 70 points from here. But we'll see. We're already up at the 870s, or we're going to go back to the 900s. 894. So this 1 hour body all the way up to 892, it seems like we want to push up there, but still, I don't know. $9.39. I wanted to go long, but I really wanted to wait for that retest. Trying to be a little bit smarter today, a little bit more cautious today. And instead I'm just sitting here with FOMO. See, good candle push above the 5-minute range right now. What a push, Reno. I know it, man. Just friggin' ripskis, right? 750, 740 to 880 now. Man, and you convince yourself that, you know, don't take that first couple minute trade, you know, because it's always, kind of always seems to be a gamble. But then there's days like this that, I don't know, is the gamble worth it then, you know? If you had taken the gamble today and you got 100 points out of it in the first couple minutes, you know, you're done for the day. You're pretty darn happy. Music could be a touch lower. Thank you, sir. Let's put it down to like, how about this? Goes over your voice. Yeah, we don't want that. Is this better? Now we have it down to -20. Yep, good. Okay, sweet, man. If you want to lower, let me know again too, because I mean, honestly, you're my you're my friendly guinea pig, sir. All right, so we had just a tiny little retracement to 846. I mean, again, I'm still really looking for like an 800, I think, retracement. All right, man, sorry, my brain just went into all these different I have a whole bunch of errands I gotta try to accomplish today, like getting a new little bike for my the 4-year-old, new little Strider bike. All right, come on, gang, come on. What are we gonna get? just keeps rocket shipping, huh? What time is it? It is now 9:42. We have not had any type of retracement, really. 8:48, 8:43. Maybe like if we could get an 8:45, a retest here, but again, I don't know. I'm just probably being too cautious, but I really want to like an 800 retest. Man, it's hard. It does seem like it's just gonna pop up, doesn't it? I mean, this is a teeny tiny little bear flag, but I think it's gonna get pushed through and invalidated. We're at 883. I mean, 893 again would be my target, so it's just kind of a hard spot. I was really hoping for a retest, and it didn't give me one. Still 1 more minute left until our 9:45 candle. Maybe we're finally going to get that retest. We got to break through the 850s. This is a good wick back up. Qs are looking real weak though. Look at Qs right now. Compared to us, they're looking very, very, very weak. This is our 5 minute for comparison, so we're doing the exact opposite the Qs are doing. Here's our new 5 minute candle. Let's see. Come on up, you. Come on up, you big pup. That's a good boy. Oh, yeah, that's a good boy. Alright, here we go. Here comes the break. So let's see, we're looking for an 800 retest. We do have VWAP here at 790s. And then obviously just a whole bunch of, you know, liquidity and everything right here. A lot of support. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a little bit of a finicky day though with the news, you know, just a lot of uncertainty with Venezuela, and then of course with now Papa Powell. And we got strong news tomorrow at, you know, 8:30. Still gonna turn this audio down just a little bit more. There we go. Alright, let's see. Just sitting here waiting, sitting here waiting, sitting here waiting, sitting here waiting. Qs are breaking. Nvidia's looking weak. Just so strange that we have this strength right now. Yeah, Nvidia's still falling. Q's is still falling. We're looking real weak. ES is still looking strong though. Man, a hard one because I wanted to go down to the 800 so I could maybe test a long. But now I'm teasing myself that maybe I should take the short on the way down to the 800s. Keeps looking kind of weak, but we're just kind of at this support right now as well. Midpoint of the opening 5-minute range is 802 again. So that would be kind of, usually you get hopefully like a little retest there. Alright, let me go get my tea quick. I'll be right back. Oh, Jesus, Jet. Little push. Let's see if this gives us continuation, or this might just be a little, I don't know, both fake out. It's going to be a finicky day. We'll see. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. How does it look on the 5? Looks like a pretty good bull flag on the 5. Ooh, I hate chasing shit though, but it looks real good. Oh no, where did that hit? Alright. Gonna put the stops right behind her.
Stop rejected.
2 are out. Hold on. Man, sorry, that was such a kind of a hectic, and we're out. Sorry, gang. That was such a quick little decision. I wanted to target the 900s, which we snagged just real stinking quick. Admittedly, though, I was trying to hit the buy down at like the 885s, and it kind of slipped me. So, I don't know. Not super proud of it, but up $50. Man, look at it. It's just popping real good now. I mean, that was a beautiful looking bull flag. I just didn't like we never got a retest. It came down and hit its 9. Nope, 9 is the green, right? The white is the outline band. So it didn't even hit the 9. The 9 would have been like a 819 retest, which would have made a lot of sense. And we just popped instead. So let's find some targets now. If it's going to keep going up, where is it going to go? So top of that body right there, 948. Obviously Friday's high, 986. That would be kind of insane if we just rip all the way back up to there. Getting just a little bit of retracement. We're right at the bottom of these bodies, right at, you know, top of this body, bottom of this body. A little retracement down at the 9s. Man, all that being patient. Then blah, 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 blah. You know, the trade, and then we're out, and that's it. Oh man, that was hectic. Retrace back down. We definitely could have squeezed more out of it. We were holding them tight. The stops really tight. 10 points. Snagged a quick 10 points off of it. Forming another bull flag now in the 1 minute. So again, I guess if we pop this, the 948 should come real quick.
Can you reach out to that guy and see if you can pick it up later today?
Yeah. I hate being that guy too, because I just got so frustrated because I had 3 people do that to me in the last couple of days. I'm like, I still have this stuff. Obviously, we're not going to be those people. We'll actually go and get it, but I don't know, it's just kind of annoying.
I have a lot I need to say.
Trying to do, yeah.
Order filled.
Shoot. So trying to work off this 1 minute bull flag. Admittedly though, it was looking a little stronger a second ago. We have a brand new 5 minute candle though in 14 seconds. So that'll hopefully push us up and not take us out. It might take us out. Got 5 seconds left on it. Just give it a little bit more room around this 9 right here. And then hopefully we can get a strong push up with this new 5 minute. It's not looking great though. Come on, we need to push. Need a good push out of this range now. Let's see. 8 seconds left on this candle. Come on. Let's push. If we can break this wick at 9:03, that'll feel a little better. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep pushing. I'm going to bring my stops up since we were living in a little bit of drawdown there. Kind of bring it back to break even on the day since we entered at the wrong point, admittedly. Yep, and we're stopped out
filled.
there. Which again, just being a little bit cautious here. So we're down 36. We were up 50.
Has she been fed?
Yeah, her bowl is up there though, because she wasn't ready. Darn it, still going in the right direction too. I don't know, it was one of those hard ones. It started showing us a little bit of weakness there. But there you go, back to what would have been break even.
Jet, leave her! Jet, out!
Yeah, we're starting to consolidate a little bit, so we got to be a little cautious now.
What do you need? I cannot pay that right now. I'm in the middle of something.
Well, yep, now we just gotta wait. Wait and see. They chopped me a little. So 10 points. Kept it at 10 points basically. Still forming a teeny tiny little bull flag on the 1 minute. But again, we're just kind of in this little bit of a chop zone. We need to see if we can break through it. And then we can target the 948s. That's what we were trying to do. So that was basically Sunday's high. We blipped up to Sunday's high, 955. Right at the bottom, what this would have been a consolidation zone from Sunday night. Sunday night's trading. Yep, back to the bottom of the range. Let's see. Good wick back up though. Real good wick back up. Coming for this imbalance down to 875 maybe. Man, really trying to be patient for that good, you know, that good trade. My first two were kind of hectic ones, if I'm being honest. There we go. There's our break. See if we come down to the 870s. And 859 again was our opening 5 minute. Man, where's all of our friends today? Driving Obsession, you're the only one. Where's all of our pals? Where's Trading Cowboy? Where's Miguel? We haven't seen Lewis in a little bit. So broke our bottom of our zone just to go right back up. Ooh. 10:02, that's a weird little reaction randomly. Still reacting down. Possibly head and shoulders. Too early to. We are only quiet when we are in the wrong way. Right? What's up, Well, it's good to see you, man. Good to see us. I was just about to say this almost might be And it isn't quite there yet, though, but I wonder head and shoulders? Not too big of a head, but boom, boom, come down to like 840s, get a push back up to like the 890s. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Man, I'm just trying to be so much smarter about this stuff now, right? I'm trying to make less trades, not fall for the chop as much. Like I kind of fell for it right here. This is the start of the chop, even though that did look like it was a nice bull flag playing out on the 1 minute. But last week, Greg would have tried to short this down to the 840s. But obviously we're above VWAP, we're above EMAs. It is definitely looking weak. She's coming down, but I don't know, just as often, like, because we have so much strength to the upside right now, who knows? Maybe this is it. Maybe 870s is as low as it goes. It took out this imbalance. Maybe it doesn't want to take out the next one yet. So we're trying to just be patient to target along again, which I would love to target one around the 840s. Originally we were looking for an 800 retest, but that doesn't seem like that's going to happen anytime soon.
Come on. Go eat your own food, man.
Wait for 840 or let it get back above 890 is what Trading Cowboy's saying. I kind of agree. Though, I don't know, 890 doesn't make me too hopeful either, because well, I don't know, yes and no. I guess if you break into 890, there's probably a good chance you come back up to the 914s, but it still could just be that chop zone. You almost want to really see a candle closure above 918, and at that point it's almost, not to say too late, but then it's another hectic, alright, let's see if we can squeeze out 20. Man, it's sinking though. Look at this. Forming a nice little bear flag right there too. Still sinking. just slowly melting down. Pushing back up, pushing back up. Here's our 890 trading cowboy. Let's see. Right at the bottom of that consolidation range. I don't know. We're just watching paint dry here, guys. What's up, Miguel? What's up, big dog? Hi, chat. Let's see if we break the 870s this time. There you go. Check the girls out. Just consolidating, 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 consolidating. Back in the nines here. Getting a little strength. I don't know. It's hard to play those. I always get so tempted. But this is literally the chop zone, right? This is where you get chopped up. It just always teases you. See, we're just right back in the middle of that zone. Teases you up a little bit, teases you down a little bit. So here's the top of our 5-minute range once again. It was the 860s, 859 basically. So we've came up, we came down a little bit. Now we're starting to curl up a little. We didn't really have a full retest of it at all. We just kind of missed it. Originally I wanted to retest to the 800s before pushing up. ES is curling down a little bit. Qs came down and then they're just slowly kind of grinding up. Nvidia, not in the best spot. IWM selling off a little. Our EMAs are curled up though. Admittedly, we're getting more strength now.
Stop filled.
Oh, I'm not doing this fast enough. So because we broke these two, we're in this consolidation zone. I get it. I understand and I agree. Not the best thing to do, right? I got a little excited though that this candle body was breaking these two. We've been kind of trending up. EMAs are trending back up a little bit. So honestly, what I was hoping for was to snag this and then in the same 30 seconds snag the sale. Because again, we're in the consolidated chop zones. But I was hoping, you know, we'd get that push up before coming down. But again, it's not really the healthy way to trade, right? These are not to say hope and pokes, but this is pretty dang close to a hope and poke. Good wick off the EMA though. There we go. Let's see if we can break this wick now. Oh, it came up. It's just reacting. Yeah, I mean, look at this. This honestly, look at this. We're targeting, I don't know, 7 points there. So the risk to reward isn't great, guys. Don't follow this trade. I mean, we'll see. Maybe it'll have some gumption and keep pushing, but I don't like these reactions up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. There we go. Come on. Didn't take it. Watch, now it's going to come back down instead. Yep, it's reacting down. Frustrating. That's what chop is. That's what chop is, guys. Yeah, chop. Chop, 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 choppity, choppity, chop.
Stop filled.
Stupid stinking chop. Frustrating. That's what chop. Fuck. Yeah, that's what chop is. That's annoying. And that wicked us down hard just to pop back up too. Stinking thing. Again, chop. Chop being chop. Now pushing back up. You gotta love the range, man. I hate chop. And it always makes you feel like you can play it too. You always feel like, you know, maybe today's the day we can play that chop, you know. Buy at the bottom, sell at that top, you'll be alright. Don't buy in the middle though. I would say if we can break 912, then that should be a pretty good sign that we're going up. Look at that, we're almost back to what would have been our break even. Stinks, because that was kind of a big one too. One, two, three, four, 5 minutes. Had to wait 5 minutes longer. Oh, this is our new 5-minute candle right here. Oh, shoot. Still pushing. Son of a gun. Getting a real good push. Chop, 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 choppity, 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 chop, 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 choppity, 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 chop, 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 choppity, 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 chop. Oh, big strong push above it. Shoot, I missed it even happening. I was looking down. Oh, bull flag maybe. Shoot, Miguel's calling out the bull flag and I didn't even stinking see it. Looking down, looking down, looking down. That was a real nice push from the 916s all the way up to the 930s. We finally have a full candle closure above our consolidation range, so that's pretty darn good. This is our brand new 5-minute candle right now. Let's see if it keeps pushing or not.
Order filled.
We're going to see if we can't snag a little bit off of this. Snag a little off of this move here. 947 really should be our target. Oh, God.
Stop filled.
Trying to put
Order
some
rejected.
stops out.
Order
Protect it a
rejected.
little bit, you know? You don't want it to wick down, though.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Alright, we got one left. Put it to break even. A little above it. Count for the fees.
Stop filled.
Alright, babe, what would you prefer? I could leave right now and get it, or we can get it at 2 o'clock. Yeah. So would you want to separate that, or? Interesting. We have a lot of support with all of our volume shelves here. Which, interestingly enough, a lot of it's right dead in the middle there. So we made a new high. Interestingly enough, though, SPX didn't for the session here. They got stalled out. Hey, Marco, what's up, big dog? You're up 18 bucks. Woo! We unfortunately are down 198. We were doing well. This trade right here just wicked us real quick. We were up on it for a sec. We were up on it about 7 points, 8 points. Didn't take it. Tried to target the top of that consolidation box. But it's been a little bit of a finicky one, my friend. Just a little uncertainty. Who would have known that this thing would just friggin' rip? What a ripper of a morning. I tried to wait the first 5 minutes. You know, and after the first 5 minutes, we consolidated, popped, consolidated, now plop. No need to brag, Marco. This is 18 bucks, says Trading Cowboy. Yeah, man. Retested that midpoint now. Man, but I'm right on the fence. Wow, Terrunks. Hello, good morning, buddy. Thank you for joining us. Which, unfortunately, I was literally going to say, my timing got a little messed up today, and I got this, I'm an 18-year-old hustling graphic designer. If I make a 10x butter thumbnail for you, would you consider it? Honestly, I would not. I'm sorry, man. But I do appreciate you. I actually really like my thumbnail. Well, not my thumbnail, actually. I thought you were talking about my logo for a second there. I like my logo as well. The thumbnail, nah, man, it's good enough. We'll get there eventually where we start sourcing out, you know, different thumbnails and things like that, but I kind of like it. But I do like the hustle, man. So presumably you're popping in and out of everybody's chats and just saying, hey, look at what I got. Actually, I just created some new designs last night anyways. Look at this bad boy. Hold on, I gotta find it. Ah, this one's pretty cool. I like this one. Let's see if we can show this to you correctly. Boom! That one's pretty sweet. That's not a thumbnail. This is just going to be a t-shirt. But, yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. And then I got this one too. Dude, right? That's pretty sick. Just dragging down the evals and everything with it. Alright, back to the bottom of our consolidation zone. So we went up 30 points, dropped down 50. Man, is this going to be our actual break? Are we just going to keep crushing down now? Still dancing, still thinking about it. We really needed to break the 867s though. I actually did create my thumbnail myself too. I know it's not like amazing. It's not. Oh, fuck you, Jackie. Not. So I didn't make it myself. Look at her. She got all upset.
Don't be taking my credit.
My wife and I.
Your wife created it.
My wife and I created our thumbnail. And yeah, man, for me doing it myself, my first ever thumbnail. I don't know. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Man, what should I do? So if I left here right now, I'd be there at 11:05. Then I'd have to leave there. I'd be back here at 11:35. And then you want to leave here at what? 11:15 or 11:45. Yeah. We knew it wasn't you, Greg, says Trading Cowboy. You're getting all jazzed up. Getting her all jazzed up back there. Consolidating for the last 45 minutes here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go run my errand instead, gang. As much as I really want to hang out with you guys today. And I always hate leaving red too, right? 198. We're down 198. I hate that. Hate leaving red. I really want to get this errand though. I want to pick up this bike. I'm going to pick up a bike. And we've been shopping for 40 minutes, so there's a good chance we might shop for another 40 minutes before we get a direction. Hoo-boo-boo-boo. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you trading, Cowboy. That's a good idea. I'm going to get going. We made 3 trades today. 4 trades. We made 4 trades today. 2 were good. 1 was real bad. And that's it. We're going to come back here tomorrow nice and strong. We're close, man. This account is almost, I don't know. We're up 571 on it. We were up 770, but trying to pass this one in the next couple days would be nice. Yeah, appreciate the heck out of you guys. I will see you again bright and early, 9:25 tomorrow morning. We will rock and roll, and we'll see what the heck happens. You.